Age doesn't matter.
Y gallu, hil, crefydd,
Gender, profession, doesn't matter.
Beth sydd yn bwysig, beth sy'n gwneud gwahaniaeth.
beth sy'n gwneud fi, ti a pawb arall yn wych.
What brings out greatness in all of us
is the will to do more.
To keep going, to push yourself,
to push your community, to support your community,
to support Wales.
A gyda'n gilydd,
Gallwn ni gyflawni pethau gwych.
We can build trusted relationships through sports, which is important for all of us, but especially for our children.
We can help to develop healthy, confident individuals.
Fel rhieni, ni'n gallu wneud chwaraeon yn rhywbeth naturiol fel rhan o'n bywyd teuluol.
We can develop a love of physical activity in a truly holistic way by making a stage, not age, approach.
We can help build relationships between communities by using sports as a common language.
We can make sport exciting and inclusive for all children.
We can encourage and inspire all individuals to ensure physical activity is all-inclusive.
We can embrace the great outdoors and make outdoor sport and activities feel less intimidating.
We can take sport to the heart of the community.
Through sport, we can develop confident, resilient young people. We can help promote the Welsh outdoors as a destination for an active and enjoyable lifestyle.
You can.
I can.
Ni'n gallu.
Do so much more.
To make Wales an active nation.